Hi, welcome to the eGen Solutions YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get started with ChatGPT. This is just the very basics, how to log in, how to do a couple of commands, and a little basic overview. So if you're strapped for time, as always, you know I put the chapters in the video descriptions below so that you can skip to the part that you need most. All right, let's get over to the desktop. Okay, here we are at the desktop. Now, you're going to start by going to the website chat.openai.com. If you're having a hard time finding it, I do have the link in the description below so that you can easily click that and get started. This is the screen you're going to come up upon, and it's either a login or a sign up. For today, we're going to click sign up. And you can easily create an account by providing your email address, moving on, and then you'll have to put your password in, and they ask a few other questions for you in order to create an account as well. Or you can sign up with Google, your Microsoft account, or Apple. For today, we're going to sign in with Google. So for me, that's very easy because we already set that up, and this is the screen that you will come into. This is your actual working dashboard. So just a couple of things to go over. We have a new chat here. I'll get into that a little later. And then you can see here we have different versions. This is Chat GPT 3.5, and then you can see we have Chat GPT 4. 4 is going to give you a lot more options, including a text to image model called DALL-E. Completely different video. We won't be getting into that today, but for today we are going to be working in ChatGPT 3.5, which is the free version for everyone, and this works just perfectly fine. When you get started and you're using this a little bit more, you may want to consider moving up to a different version. So this is the setting. This is the beginning. It's going to give you a couple of options that you may want to try working with, but the important part here is this message ChatGPT. You are basically going to talk with it. And so how you talk with it is by writing a prompt. Now, a prompt is basically just a set of instructions that you're giving to AI or to ChatGPT to have it pull together information, provide you with information to create an output. So for today, we're just going to do a quick little prompt, and we're going to say, let's click in it. Tell me a joke about flowers. And then we're going to let it tell us a joke about flowers. So we can see here that we entered something that we wanted and it gave us an output back. So how can we make this a little bit more, let's say we want to be a little bit more specific. So we'll say rewrite this joke in the style of Eddie Murphy. I have no idea what this is going to take, but there we go. It has written it in what it believes is the style of Eddie Murphy. So that's really basically how you just input information and you'll get an output from it. Now, the important thing to remember, I tell everyone who's starting out, to understand how to work with ChatGPT and to create prompts, you basically kind of need to talk to it like it's a 2-year-old. You have to tell it everything. So if you don't provide it with enough information, your output isn't going to be that great. So just like this, where I said, give me a joke, that was very basic and vague, and just, it gave me a joke. But when I said, do it in the style of Eddie Murphy, it gave me a little bit more, or maybe a little bit better of an output. So that's how you want to kind of consider working with ChatGPT. Now, how do you save this? Like, how do you go on to the next one? Do you just keep using messaging within the same thing? I like to create new chats, which you can see up here. And every time you do work within it, it'll automatically save a topic that you were discussing. So we can see here that I have tried a flower breakup joke. I've done poetry. I've done a social media strategy, and of course the one that we're on right now. Let's say I want to go into a new chat because I do want to create a social media post. So this is how we're going to do it. Again, remember, we want to talk to it like it's a 2-year-old. So we have to tell it what it is. You are a social media manager. you please create, let's just do that. Please create a Facebook post celebrating National Chocolate Day. Make the post 2 sentences because we want to keep it short, right? And include emojis. And we're going to hit enter, and that's what it came up with. How cute is that, right? So now I just have to add a picture, or maybe I have a picture that I just want to include, and it gave me a cute little post for Facebook, and it even gave me a hashtag to use as well as the emojis. Now let's say we want to create this for let's say LinkedIn. Create this. We're going to say create a LinkedIn post as well. And again, because we're in this thread, now it's giving us a little bit more, and it's giving us a LinkedIn post. So you can see here how you can move back and forth and kind of build on what you initially put, information you put in. Let's say we're going to talk about something else. We simply go and put in a new chat, and we can start all over. I like this because it separates ideas, and it may get confused from Chocolate Day. If you're going to ask it to do something else, it may still be thinking about International Chocolate Day. So having a fresh and new chat does help you again with your outputs. So I hope this has helped you a little bit get started. Believe me, once you start playing with this, you're going to go down a rabbit hole and have a ton of fun. So if this video helped you out, I hope you'll give it a like. And of course, you know I love subscribers because you always get the videos first when they come out. And thank you greatly. We'll see you again in the next video.